Today in this video, we're going to be seeing a range of different styles of living rooms custom designed by our designers for our varied clientele. Fresh, open, airy, this modern living room done in bright colors is perfect for a bachelor pad. Another fresh palette with cozy leather seating and pastels. A contemporary living room bathed in all white and simple TV unit. Bright pops of colors and fresh plants is the highlight of this eclectic themed living room. This luxury contemporary living room is highlighted with gold accents in false ceiling, light fixtures and more. Compact modern living room done in whites and blues to make the space look free and open. Another eclectic themed living room in bright florals. Elegant contemporary style TV unit along with fancy false ceiling is highlighting this living. Indian ethnic themed living room has a touch of royalty and lots of luxury oozing out. A healthy mix of ethnic and modern style in this living with motifs for the wallpaper and fresh colors for the sofa, door and more. This Look style interiors is adorned with rich golden hues for wallpaper, curtain and lighting. Modern contemporary living room has been given a chic look with the most popular metal nested table. Another Look style living done in rich shades of blue and gold, highlighted by this large TV unit with lots of display. Scandinavian themed living room bathed in all white is classy and it looks straight out of Pinterest. Contemporary Look style living is highlighted by the fancy chandelier and the royal blue sofa. Modern ethnic transitional living room with a full-fledged puja unit in the corner. Eclectic themed living room with geometric acrylic panel for the TV. The orange sofa is also standing out as a stark contrast. Simple and compact contemporary living room has a nice bay window seating to highlight. Modern European style living room with beading on the wall and a chic blue sofa. Another contemporary themed living room with a gallery display wall being the highlight. Transitional open plan living room with high gloss laminate TV unit and a sleek back panel to hide the wires. Cozy and comfortable living done in neutrals and shades of beige with handleless storage. Another transitional living room with a puja unit attached to TV done in warm hues along with pops of blue and orange. Chic florals, white barn door and wooden furniture are the key highlights of this living room. Here's our last contemporary living with a geometric play of colors on the wall.